Yes, very much. And all of them were, though, like the lawyers, Pillsbury Law Firm, and Andrew Troop, and all these like lawyers that were representing the consenting states and the non-consenting states and the plaintiff lawyers. They were all in cahoots, I believe, with Davis Polk. You know, people think of bankruptcy and they think, well,
all the lawyers
like
against the
Purdue's on
drug
the
companies
stand,
were in
like
league with the
they're
drug companies'
the
lawyers.
defendant, right? Nothing can be further from the truth. Purdue's law firm, Davis Polk, self-proclaimed in open court that they were basically the conductor of the process. And that was true. They led the process. If Purdue wasn't willing to do something, it didn't happen. You know, people think of bankruptcy court and bankruptcy process like some sort of trial. It's not an examination of the facts. It's not an examination of the truth. The debtor, who you think of like as the defendant, they run the entire process. They run the show. So everybody needed to be close to Davis Polk. Everybody needed to be close to Marshall Huebner, right, who was their chief counsel.
So it's corruption.
Who is
Glad
someone I
handing.
just absolutely can't stand. He used to make claims that because there were 4 victims on the UCC and there were 5 corporate creditors, that if there was a 5-4 vote, right, in the favor of the company, that victims supported it because the votes were secret, right? I mean, that was another setup. The Department of Justice knew that they couldn't see the majority of victims on that unsecured creditors committee because they knew how that would go down.
This looks like another book on the lawyers. I hope some law professors listening and can write a book on this part of the story.
Get your book out there. Get rich. Bust the corrupt.
Because